Hey everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18. In today's video, we will be discussing about the attendance kiosk. So an attendance kiosk is a digital system that is used to record the presence or absence of the individual. It typically involves a touch screen device or a computer with specialized software. Now let's dive into the attendance module and you can find the interface where it shows the employees as well as the days over here, and if any of the employees is present or absent, it will be marked over here. And now let's move on to the kiosk mode. Let's see how does it work. As you just move on to the kiosk, here you can find either you can just get into this by opening the link or we can just install the app. So let's click on install app, and here it takes a few seconds, and let's click on install, and yeah, let's install it. Now you can find different way by which an employee can log in. So this basically analyzes the check-in and out, like the employees or the students can scan their ID cards, badge, or use biometric authentication such as a fingerprint or facial recognition to register their arrival or departure. And this also captures the data, which means that the kiosk records the time, date, as well as the individual's identifications information. You can also just get the real-time monitoring. Attendance data is often displayed in real time, allowing administrations to track the attendance pattern so that you can just get the report, which means that the system generates reports based on the attendance, absence, and other relevant metrics. So if anyone would like to, identify them manually, they can just choose this option, and this is currently filtered with all departments. And if you want to make any other filtrations or anything, you can just take it from here. Now let's try to log in as Abigail Peterson, and you can see this shows the check-in time of this employee, and let's click on OK. And that's all how we just use the kiosk mode in Odoo 18, which is one of the new feature in Odoo 18 attendance module. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.